comfort me. You're always here, surrounding me.
Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. In green pastures, rest is what I got. Beside still waters, takes my hand, gives me peace. I don't understand.
You restore my soul. You make me whole. Even in the valley, I won't fear any evil. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. You're always here, surrounding me. Even when I walk through the darkest night, you are with me, you hold the light. You prepare a table before my enemies and crown me with your love and mercy. You restore my soul. You make me whole. You make me even in the valley, I won't fear any evil. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. They comfort me. You're always here.
Surely your goodness, surely your love will follow me all my days. I will dwell in the house of the Lord.
Forever I'll sing your praise. Surely your goodness, surely your love will follow me all my days. I will dwell in the house of the Lord. Forever I'll sing your praise. Forever I'll sing your praise.
You restore my soul, you make me whole.
Even in the valley, I won't fear any evil. Your rod and staff, they comfort me. You're always here, surrounding me.